Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to draw some cool characters from the Pokemon book. Now Ari, my son, has asked me to draw Eevee for him. He thinks she's pretty cute. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw Eevee. With Eevee, I'm going to just start by sketching the main shapes out. So a bit of an oval for her head, and then a bit of a shape like this for where she's got her fur. She's got a leg down here. Her hand is in here. And you might be wondering why I'm just using basic shapes. This can help get all the proportions right. So I'm looking at how big her leg is compared to her head. And she's got a really big ear that comes out there. Now if you look at the shapes that I've used, the lines that I've used and the shapes, you can see a lot of curves. I've got circles. So you've got to practice your curves as an artist. And that's why I'm sketching it out in pencil. So these are called construction lines. Her head actually comes in and then out like so. And then once you've got the proportions looking good, which means the sizes of things compared to each other, that's when you start to put all the details and make it look amazing. I'm happy with Eevee there, so now it's time to outline. I'm using a 0.3 multi-liner, and I'm just going to put in her head shape for a start, coming around. Now the ear comes in here, so ear line, the other ear line, and then I'm just going to bring that in a little bit like so. See how I've curved that down? Now I've got a curve line in here. And then I've got a zigzag line like that. Then another curved line in, say, like that. Hope you're enjoying the drawing at home. Hope you're having fun. So there's an egg shape. I'm going to leave a white circle. And then she's got this little bit of colour down there. So that's all going to be coloured. And then this is going to be black. So you could colour this now or wait. So there's one eye, tiny little line there, and a tiny little line there. And let's draw the other eye in here. Again, the white shape is looking this way. So when you put the white bits on the same side, that means they're looking out that direction. Colour, and then we add the black in there. I might do that later on. Now, because she's got fur, this is a good way to show fur. Little zigzaggy lines, and they're all going that direction to show the hair. Now we've got a couple of little, like an M line there, same as that. And then we've got this coming out the ear. And then this comes in and around like so. And then we have the other two lines inside, just like we did over here. 1, 2. Now you can turn your page around however you like, but I'm just keeping mine in. Then we have a little mouth bit like this, nice smile, see that? Comes down, back up and around like that. And then there's the tongue line there. We can colour this in. Okay, so we know where this hand here is, and it's in front. So what we have to do is draw the fingers. So we've got 1, coming around like that, 2, and then 3, and it comes around, comes back in, and then up for her paw, and then a line comes around like that. Then her arm comes down and around like so, and then she's got some fur. So the fur comes around, up, zigzag it, and then it comes one more and then into there, and then we've got a piece like that. Now pretend that that hand's not there. We know that it's going to come down here, and we've got some other zigzaggy bits here. Now notice when I go on this way, the zigzags are going to come back the other way. Can you see them? Like that. Then we pick this up again and we do a few more. Wait, now we've got the foot with the leg, so it comes around like this, then 2, and then 3 toes comes up, and then it just comes back up like that. Now you see this front leg, so this front leg comes around like this that I already drew. Then we've got the foot. The foot comes around 1, 2, 3 toes there like that. Then we've got another foot that's directly under here, goes 1, 2, 3 toes, comes up, and then you can see the front part of the leg, just a little bit of a line there that joins just in there with the fur. Now we've got that looking good. Now it's the tail. So we've got little bump for the tail like that, comes around and curves in there, and then we're going to bring this one around and up, and it's going to curve into there, and then she's got some zigzaggy bits on her tail as well. I'm going to outline Eevee with a thicker pen. I do this to provide contrast.